let's say that I want to start playing Harvest like normal. Nothing has been saved or loaded, but I want to make sure that the game doesn't crash on me. All I have to do is open the console and type in execute, EXEC, harvest underscore new. And what that did is it got rid of the loading system. There's a loading and a saving system. The saving system is actually more of a tracking system. The loading system is now gone, so those entities and everything about that is absent. However, saving is still going to work. So now I'm going to show you how to save your game. Alright? Let's say that I have purchased a bucket. This is the only thing that I have purchased, but I am very proud of my bucket. Also, I have 25 points left over. All I have to do to save and quit is type in execute, harvest, save. It will take a picture and take me back home. Alright, here's yet another fresh map load. This time I want to go back to my old situation where I had a bucket and 25 points. So the first thing that I'll do is I will open up the screenshot in my screenshots folder of Obsidian Conflict. There I will have a picture that has the grid along with the points value that I have in the top left corner of the screen. So in order to input that, I'll type in execute harvest underscore load. This will take me here. Now, if I remember correctly, it was just this one. What's the bucket? Bam. Just like that, right? That's about what the screenshot looked like. And I will hit the green button to load. Now, the next thing that I have to do here is I need to use the console to give myself points. I had 25, so I like to chain inputs here. SV cheats 1, give points 25, SV cheats 0. And that works just great. I have 25 points now. I walk to the left, and it takes me back home. The land is cleared, and if I go to the store, my old friend, the bucket. This is for you. Anyway, so that's the basic gist of it. It's pretty simple. It could be a lot better, but it's kind of hard to work with the constraints of a map ad system because there's a lot of stuff you can't mess with in Harvest, let me tell you. Oh yeah, one more thing. I need to cover how this is going to work in multiplayer. That's going to be a little bit weird. Okay, so in multiplayer, things are going to get a little bit hairy. Really, the only thing you need to do to get everything set up is grant yourself no clip. So let's say that I theoretically have granted myself no clip, okay? Server owner has granted themselves no clip. All you got to do is no clip to the top of these two silos, and it'll take you to this room. Here's how this works. If you're making a new Harvest game, you push the red button. The red button is the same thing as Harvest New. That'll make a new game, and then you can go back in there and turn off no clip and play. If you are saving the game, what you want to do is you want to come here and take a picture of the stuff on the right, as well as talk with your friends and keep track of their point values too. Maybe hold tab while you're doing it. That'd be a good idea. If you want to load the game, loading works a heck of a lot like loading, just you have to be no-clipped in here. Right? So let's say I wanted to give myself that bucket. Bam. Give me that bucket. And let's give me some seeds. I don't even know how many seeds that's going to be. Slam. Right? You can see the map ad's going to work. There it goes. And I have a lot of banana seeds. Radical. And if I go over, you will see that the bucket is again purchased. But that's getting a bit redundant now, isn't it? There he is. Get a load of this guy. Huh? I don't think this is going to cause any crashes because all it's doing is creating a couple of physics entities that never move, but you never know.